Hi guys, it's Kaylee, and today I'm going to be showing you how to find an article. And the article we'll be looking for is Second Step in Managing Type 2 Diabetes by C.J. Peterson, an Australian prescriber in 2018. So right here I'm going to go over to this article button, and I just begin with diabetes, and I'm just going to search that real fast. And there's so many, and then I'm going to go furthermore and type in the journalist. So it's right here, Australian prescribers. You're going to search that up, and it's going to appear right here, and then you're going to do free medical journals. And then you're going to go here to the search button and look up keywords. So I'm going to look up managing diabetes. Why it loads. Okay, and then publish date. Since it was going to 2018, I'm going to do any time, and then down here, do article, apply filter, and it's going to be my first one right here, Second Steps in Managing Type 2 Diabetes, and then you can go ahead and read the article. Thank you guys.